friends, let's learn how to write a few more uppercase letters. You're going to need your paper and your pencil. Okay, my friends, again, on your paper, find that red line, and that's going to be our helper. It's going to be our guide, all right? We're going to create our bracket. We're going to have a top line, a middle line, and a bottom line, okay? Today, we are going to learn 4 letters. The capital letter D, B, P, and R, okay? So for the capital letter D, we are going to start at the top line, and we are going to draw a vertical line straight down to the bottom. It's that bottom line. Now, this time, we're going to make a curve. So watch me first. Here we go. We're going to start at the top line, and you're going to make a curve down past the middle. Then you're going to curve back in to the bottom, and that is the letter D. It almost kind of reminds me of like a half circle, sort of. Okay, so if you can draw circles, that is going to help you. So if that curve is kind of hard, work on your circle, and then that will help you to create that curve. Okay, so when I think of the letter D, I think of a dog. Everybody say dog, okay? Dog begins with the D sound. So when we write the letter D, let's make sure we make the sound. Here we go. Start at the top line, draw all the way down to the bottom, and when we make the curve, let's make the D sound. Here we go. D. Try it again. D. One more time. D. Nice job. All right, push pause on the video and see if you can write the letter D and make it sound 5 more times. All right, let's move on to the next letter. The next letter we're going to learn is the letter B. So let's draw an X. Let's go ahead and put our brackets. We have the top line, the middle line, and the bottom line. And for the letter B, it begins just like the letter D. So we're going to start at that top line, and we're going to draw that vertical line straight down to the bottom line. We're going to pick up our pencil, and then instead of creating one large hump like we did for the D, we're going to create 2 small humps or curves, okay? So we're going to start at the top, and we're going to curve to the middle. And then we're going to start at the middle, and we're going to curve to the bottom. And that is the letter B, my friends. When I think of the letter B, I think of the word book. Everybody say it with me. Book. The letter B sounds like this. B. This time, when we write the letter B, let's make the sound. Here we go. Good job. Now, what I want you to do is to make sure that you write the letter B 5 more times and make the sound. Remember, the letter B sounds like this. It does not sound like this. B. That is not the letter B. The letter B sounds like this. It is a quick, quiet sound. Okay? Go ahead and push pause on the video and make the letter B and its sound. Ready, set, go. All right, let's get our paper set up. Go ahead and draw that X. Make your bracket. We have our top line, our middle line, and our bottom line. Now we're going to learn the letter P, okay? To write the uppercase letter P, again, we're going to touch up here at the top line, and we're going to draw a vertical line down to the bottom line, just like we did for D and B. Now we're going to make a curve, just like we did for the letter B. Okay, so we're going to touch up here at the top again, and we're going to curve around to the middle. And that is the letter P. Let's continue on with the letter P, my friends. Here we go. Get your pencil ready. Remember, with the letter P, we're going to touch the top. We're going to make a vertical line straight down to the bottom. Then we're going to pick our pencil up. We're going to touch that top again, and we're going to curve around to the middle. When I think of the letter P, I think of a pig. And when I say pig, I listen to the beginning sound and I hear P. Notice it's a very quiet sound. P. So when we write the letter P, let's make the sound. Here we go. P. Try it again. P. Notice that with the letter P, I am making a quick sound. P. It does not sound like this. P. That is incorrect. We do not want to make that sound. The letter P makes the P sound. Nice job. Go ahead and try to write the letter P and make it sound 5 more times. Push pause on the video. All right, let's get our paper ready for our very last letter we're going to learn today, which is the letter R. Go ahead and make your brackets. Write your top line, your middle line, and your bottom line. The letter R is going to start in the same way that the letter P started, with that vertical line from top to bottom. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to draw that vertical line straight down to the bottom. Then we're going to also make that same curve like we did on the letter P. We're going to start at the top and we're going to curve around to the middle. Now we're going to add something new. We are going to create a diagonal line. If you've never made a diagonal line before, it kind of looks like this. Ready? That's a diagonal line. But we're going to make a small one. So it's going to kind of look like this. It's going to start at the midline and it's going to go down to that bottom line. Okay, so we're going to go right here to the place where we ended up on our curve. We're going to put our pencil there and we're going to draw a diagonal line out. And we have the letter R. All right, my friends, let's get ready. Here we go. Get our pencil. Oh, you know what? Before we write it, let's talk about the sound it makes. When we think about the letter R, I think about a rabbit, right? Rabbit begins with the letter R, and I think sometimes the letter R sound is a little tricky to make. So the letter R sounds like this. Rrr. Try it with me. Rrr. Almost kind of like a scary Rottweiler dog. Like it would growl, sort of. So it goes rrr, rrr, like that. Okay, so when we try to write the letter R, let's try to make that sound. Ready? We're going to start at the top. We're going to go down to the bottom. We're going to curve around. And then we're going to make that diagonal that goes straight down. This time, let's try it with a sound. Here we go. Rrr. One more time. Rrr. Nice job, everybody. All right, I want you to try to make the letter R 5 more times and make the sound. If you can't remember what sound R makes, I just want you to say rabbit and think about what sound R makes at the beginning. Rrr. All right, my friends, go ahead, get your pencils ready and start writing.